For experienced developers in the age of AI, there's one big question. Is my role about to disappear?
You know, this came from a senior engineer, 20 years in the game, after using an AI coding tool, Claude Code.
He felt like everything that made him senior could now be done by AI in minutes. So, is he right about this?
Well, his colleague, Margaret, had a totally different take. She thinks his role hasn't vanished. It's just changed.
To get what she means, we have to ask, what even is seniority? It's really a mix of all these things.
All right, and this is where it gets really interesting. What can AI actually automate, and what's still uniquely human?
And here's the kicker. Those skills AI can't touch, that's the real substance of what makes a developer senior.
See, AI only knows what you feed it. It doesn't have that gut instinct you get from years on the job.
Okay, so the role changes. But what does that actually look like day to day? Well, for starters, it means thinking of yourself as less of a builder in that traditional sense, and more of a navigator. Your job shifts from just doing the work to actually guiding it.
You become the connective tissue, right? You hold the context for the business, the team, and the system's history.
Think of it this way. The tool builds a single piece. The senior developer holds the whole puzzle.
So how does this change what you do every day? Let's take a look at something like code review.
Review isn't just about, is this code correct anymore? It's about, is it appropriate for right now?
When you write code yourself, you're constantly reviewing it. With AI, that intimacy with the code is just gone.
So you have to fight that feeling that just because AI code looks good, it is good. Your review has to get sharper.
And look, this isn't just about the code. It actually makes the senior's leadership role even more important.
Speed without direction is dangerous, right? Well, with AI, it's way more dangerous. Senior guidance is crucial. Basically, the senior developer's job is to create the conditions where a tool like this is actually useful.
So let's go back to that engineer. The key is to stop measuring himself against the tool and start measuring the work.
Because when you can build the things faster, your judgment about what to build becomes way more valuable, not less.
The real question was never just what do you build, it was what do you make possible. AI just makes that clearer.